What's going on YouTube? Nick again, back with Culture TV. Just got off again, sponsored by Papa John's. So going to our regular Saturday Durhammeetz. We're going to have a lot of dope cars out here. Do me some two-step, may slide. I might slide. My tires are like fucking ball. I need to buy something bad. Yeah, so stay tuned. You'll see a lot of the
damn it. Don't move at all. Ball head. You ugly.
You already know what it is.
You ugly. Hey, what I smell over here?
Burnt oil, nigga.
Oh, y'all shit smell terrible.
You gotta do the curb on the child.
Curb, head, pull through there.
Your shit wide.
Pull through the people.
Pull through, cuz.
What you talking about?
Show them you can do it without hitting the curb.
Oh yeah, we got a curb challenge. Yo, curb challenge.
Curb challenge. Get his ass.
Curb challenge. That's good, Nick.
Oh, you talking about if I scrape?
Nah,
Let me in the car.
You can't hit their toes.
Oh.
Let me in the car.
Alright, let this thing go though. Let this thing go.
Oh, so I can get between them when I touch their toes.
Go there, then you know.
Spot too. Alright, ready?
Hey, go ahead, Nick. Bro, your shit burning.
It's one down there. You got a body kit on it.
ILS.
Nigga, go. Right. Before I got them start kicking your shit.
Hey, you run over me? Huh? Hello, get close. Hey, watch out. Watch out.
Look, this nigga think he's smart. He came in with the tire. This way. You gotta come this way. We're no gang out beat the shit out there.
Oh, he gonna run over his.
Go ahead.
You gotta keep going straight. Straight.
Where you at? There's the fucker right there. Damn you, Mike, with your fucking Mazda.
You doing alright?
Yeah. At home. Shout out to you too, Mike. Oh, it's both Mikes out here. Gunshots and Mr. VIP himself. You gotta make sure I get everybody. Okay. Oh yeah, I need some rollers. Please, I need some rollers. Okay. I hear you, Kenny. Fuck you. Leo in the building. Skyline.
Things just started getting really weird.
Challenger. Honda. Look at this great asshole part. I know you're gonna slide tonight, man. Go ahead and say what up for YouTube, man. You sliding tonight? Hypnotic. Hey, Kenny! Good my phone. Hate this car, man. I'm his biggest fucking hater on this damn car. So what we doing, man? Save the head. He told him to move. What's he trying to get? I'll find out later. Hold again. To the second spot. Just want to do a little bit of role play. I'll catch y'all at the next spot.
Japan, Ichiban, Jumbo Rasa, Uchirano Deban, Teriyaki boys in the place to be. We said the auto got a VIP.
Many diamonds dangling, bag full of money we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me, all the above cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem, because me professional. Make you shake your kettle, thank you. Haters take it personal.
Like a Canada type, let's all now talk on. Let's go, not my money, let's all. Such kitchen, also let's go, let's go. To heal the love. Let's go, you want girl to know me. Is the spot, bikes with wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears, oh my ride. We fierce and fast, supersonic like JJ Fat, and we ride till the wheels are flat. Can't beat that with a baseball bat.
Breaking wide with that, man.
燃えるよしでぼちぼちね玉ねぎでさそうこっちこっちヒートアップで通りそう街中滑って乗り込むめっちゃ借り物
Good. You destroyed the flare and it looked like your top was on fire.
That's why ladies choose me. All up in the news cause we so cute. That's why we so huge. I love you the girls from how I feel. They respect I keep saying yeah. Not a China man cause I ain't from China man. I am Japan man.
You see Nigo coming out of the black pants as a laugh. You wonder where he get that kind of money?
What's going on
Don't worry
here?
about it.
Third spot. As you can hear, they already cut loose. We're about to get this shit going. What's up? Getting the rotate. What's it? No, we don't do front wheel drive. It's rear wheel drive here.
I only said the first person shit just to see how fast we could clear a spot, bro. We cleared that shit pretty quick.
Ignore that cancer part, y'all. We don't mean that.
Well, I'll edit that. Shit. Who's next? We got a Mustang coming through?
Yeah, I was like, hey, the first one to the left spot.
Somebody? Anybody? Who's over there? Who's over there? Who's over there? Huh?
You got oil?
Oil?
Yeah.
Heck no, ain't got no oil.
I mean, like.
Why ain't got no oil?
It got some touch of.
Oh yeah, you definitely getting on YouTube for that. No oil? Oh, hold on, we got Mustang. You better watch out.
Yeah, oh.
Crowd killer, crowd killer.
There you go. Let her eat. No, not another front wheel drive. No.
You gonna blow your shit up.
No, kill yourself. Shit. All right, what?
You better make that video.
Back up a little bit, G.
Get to the curb just to help.
All right.
You just don't got no oil in it.
I ain't got no oil, man. Look, man, I ain't got no oil, man. It's going on YouTube. I'm about to ask him for no oil.
Motherfucker sending me a link.
There you go.
Wait, so if I got some oil touching distance, I should be good, right?
What?
If I got oil touching distance, I should be good, right?
Yeah. Your oil light ain't come on. Every other light damn on. Man, look, do you want me let me spin it, bro? Huh? You gonna let me spin the car, bro?
The nigga driving the
Can I spin your car?
F-150, move your shit out the cut over there.
Hell no, I ain't got no tires. Let her eat.
Oh, you gotta do better than that.
Hey, is that how you slap stick, right?
Hey, come here. Go to the charger and do it.
Let her eat.
That truck goes crazy.
Beamer gang.
Bust it. Everybody get back, get back, get back. Hey.
We got a rookie.
Bro, we do this with everybody. In a tree earlier. Man, swing that shit. Shut up.
Hey, what you gonna do in Charlotte, man? What you gonna do in Charlotte?
Swing that bitch. Stop talking to me. Swing it.
They gonna wreck it. Charlotte ain't used to that shit. You ain't gonna drive or something? I got it.
What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Share. Trying to get as many people to join the page, join the culture brand, everything. So Instagram culture brand, no, culture_brand, sorry. And of course, YouTube culture TV. Follow me, at me if you want to link up to do some videos together. I got you. Yeah, so I'm about to get to editing on my nice projector screen, and hope to see you soon.